Hi, this is my new Elgato Facecam 4K. It's the newest version of the Elgato Webcam. It's really nice because it has a 49 millimeters lens, so you can use lens filters for regular cameras, okay? Let me show you. You get this USB-C cable to connect it, the camera stand to place it in your monitor, and the actual camera. As you can see, it's a nice unit. This is the USB-C port, the universal screw port here for the support, or to use it in any other support or tripod. And let me show you, the 49 millimeters ring allow us to use the Elgato prompter step-up rings. Let me show you. This is the 49 millimeters and you can screw it directly here. And now with the step-up ring installed, you can use your camera as a regular full-size camera in any tripod or support system. And you will be able to use the Elgato prompter with the mirrorless backplate directly with the webcam. Just like that, like you will do with a regular large size camera. You don't need any more this black accessory to get rid of the light, because the backplate is specially designed so when you use the step-up ring, you get no light in the back of your prompter. So really easy to install, full 4K. I have also the Facecam, the old Facecam, full high definition. So now I have two cams to work with. Perfect. Thank you.